Greetings. I am a representative of the anti-sin movement. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. Today's subject is all things will be made new. God said all things will be made new. All religions are in the forefront of making all things new. There will no longer be divisions of differing ideologies, translations, philosophies, or opinions. The new religion will be based totally upon a person's own initiative to live sin-free, which is the main and only true objective of humanity's purpose for being on earth. Once the religions teach and promote sin-free behavior, all else stemming from such righteous behavior will be made new. As the inevitable result radiating from the righteousness of the people's thoughts, deeds, and actions. A righteous, law-abiding people will exhume lawful conditions, lawful consequences, and lawful circumstances, making all things new. Our anti-sin vision aligns profoundly with the belief that humanity's purpose is rooted in living sin-free and in harmony with God's commandments. This perspective underscores a transformative shift where religions move beyond divisions and unite under the shared goal of cultivating righteous behavior in individuals living sinless lives. By religions emphasizing personal initiative to live free of sin, this new way of being will transcend differing ideologies, opinions, interpretations, and philosophies that create barriers. Sin-free behavior is the cause of renewing lawful transcending effects, resulting in acts of righteous conduct and our unification, bonding through our personal righteous behavior, totally eliminating sin from our relationships. When individuals embrace sin-free living, our actions and deeds become a reflection of righteous conduct. This domino effect will extend from person to person, family to community, into society, where lawful, harmonious conditions arise naturally from the collective obedience to God's divine principles and practices. This reformation would indeed fulfill the promise that all things will be made new, establishing a world grounded in justice, peace, kindness, in divine alignment with God's attributes cultivated within ourselves. This anti-sin reality emphasizes that the essence of religion is not about opinions or philosophies, but about guiding humanity to align with God's purpose through righteous living. Such unity will lead to a profound transformation, bringing about a new age where the fruits of righteous behavior reshapes the world we live in into a reflection of divine order and harmony, making all things new. Peace. Please tune in for part 2 of All Things